In this video, I'm going to share with you how to fold your towels so you feel like you're at the spa every day. Hey everyone, Antoinette here from One Sweet Life, where I help busy mamas like you get organized and design a life that you love. I also want to let you know that if you are struggling with getting clean and organized and especially motivated, I have a free video series that will help you kickstart your cleaning and organizing muscle. I will put a link for you in the description box below. So we are going to start with our bath towels today. And there are a couple different ways that you can fold your towels to get a beautiful look inside of your linen closet. Now, the way that I prefer is the way that hotels fold their towels. And what you want to do is fold it lengthwise in half, and then fold it widthwise in thirds, and then fold it in half lengthwise one more time. Now, this gives you this beautiful clean looking front, and the sides are nice and folded too, so you don't see any edges. And when you stack them one on top of each other, it looks really clean and beautiful. Now, a different way that you can fold your towels is the way like a department store folds their towels, and they fold it where you can see that edging in the front. And I think that's just so people can see what it looks like. I don't know, different towels have different kinds of designs there. And so what you want to do is fold it in half lengthwise, and then fold it in half again, and then fold it into thirds. Now this way, when you lay it on its side, you can see the design, and when you stack them, then you'll have all the designs line up with each other, and that's a department store look for you. But I like the way that hotels do it, and so I have to refold my towel and do it the other way. Otherwise, it won't match in my linen closet. So the next towel we have here is the hand towel. And to get the same look as the hotel, what you want to do is fold it in thirds lengthwise, and then fold it in half to get the clean edge, or you can fold it into thirds again, and that way your towel is going to be smaller. And if you have a shallow area to store your towels, then folding into thirds would be better for you. Or if you want to do it with the same idea as a department store and having that pattern, then you would just fold it in half lengthwise, and then in half again, and then into thirds. That way you get that design on the outside if you want to stack them after that. But the way that I have our hand towels is I fold it into thirds lengthwise, and then I just roll it up and put it inside a clear shoebox container. And I will show you that at the end of this video, what it looks like in my linen closet. And also in next week's video, I will be doing a tour of our linen closet, so you can see how I store everything in there. And that is the same thing with the washcloth, is you fold it into thirds, and then fold it into thirds again, and you can get the hotel look. But with the washcloth, I also just fold it into thirds and roll it. So the purpose of folding into thirds is so you don't see any of the edges, you just see beautiful folds. It gives you a cleaner look whenever you see it from a distance. Hopefully this video helped you learn a new way to fold and store your bath towels. If you have any tips or tricks on how to fold your towels, I would love for you to share in the comments box below. If you like this video, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and click the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!